Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about event bubbling in JavaScript, part of Web Technologies course. Event bubbling is a feature of DOM in which an event that occurs on an inner element of a web page propagates to the outer elements that contain it. This means that when an event is triggered on an element, the event is first captured by the element itself and then propagates to its parent, grandparent, and so on until it reaches the top level element, usually body or HTML element. For example, consider the following HTML structure. If you attach a click event to the paragraph element with the ID paragraph and another click event to the div element with the ID container, when you click on paragraph element, both events will be triggered. First, the one attached to the paragraph element, then the one attached to the div element. This feature can be useful in certain situations. For example, when you want to attach a single event handler to multiple elements and have it handle events for all of them without having to attach separate handlers to each element. You can stop the event bubbling by calling event.stopPropagation method. In this example, the event will only trigger the click event attached to the paragraph element and will not propagate to the parent div element. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.